Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everybody. Good evening, my lovely people. Why loading? Why loading? Why loading, man? So, good evening, everybody. Good evening. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's your guy Benv. Today, just as the topic implies, struggling trader with Benv and top-down analysis. You understand? Today is Sunday and we are about to enter the new week. We need to do a top-down analysis. Let's know what we'll be expecting from the charts. You understand? So without much delay, I'm going straight to share my screen with you guys, then do a top-down analysis, and I'll be expecting you guys to be dropping your own favorite pair. Then we'll look into that. You understand? Because your own idea means a lot to me. You understand? Your own idea means a lot to me. You get your own idea means a lot to me. Tell me your own favorite pair, then I'll do a top-down analysis on that too. You understand? So the week we are going to prepare ourselves for the week. That is just the thing. We are going to prepare ourselves for the week so that everybody will end the week in profit. And as we are doing it today, I'm not going to leave you guys. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next tomorrow. I'll do it till the end of the week. You understand? I'm not going to leave you guys. I'll keep you guys till the end of this particular week. You understand? I'll make sure anybody who will be consistent will be profitable. You understand? And so you're highly, highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. Please drop your comments. You understand? Drop your favorite place under the comment section. The live video might not be long as you expect. You understand? Because we are going to do just the important things. You understand? Just the important thing. No long talk today. You are going to just go straight to the point. You understand? I don't know why my network is just trying to be, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't to work with them. I'm going to just support it. How is it going? It's going on, my bro. You are highly welcome. It's going on, man. Shattered Alaska. Shattered Alaska. You're highly welcome. I feel your presence. You understand? Lag. I so just know, but I'm going to fix that now. You understand? Let me fix that immediately. I'm going to hotspot it instead of connecting it direct. So I'm going to hotspot it. Then we'll go into what brings us here. You understand? Instead of this, let me just Please, is it still lagging? I just reconnect it now. Is it still lagging? Like, is it still lagging? Taste of Mystery, you're highly welcome. Understand, I understand. I can see it from here. I'm still going to like I'm just going to hotspot straight now. I don't know. Please let me know if it's lagging again. Like if it's still skipping, let me know, please. Let me know real quick if it's still skipping. I'm trying to connect it, like use another way to connect it now. Please let me know if it's still skipping. Yeah, it paused before. Yeah, I'm trying to reconnect it. My Oga Ikemefuna, you're highly welcome. I see you, my brother. You're highly welcome. I see you. I see you. I see you. Please let me know if it's still skipping again. You understand? Let me know if it's still skipping again. You understand? Let me know. Connection management. Let me see. Maximum. Let me just take maximum to 1. You understand? So that there will not be interruption. Maximum will be 1, just as this one I've connected. Then that's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That will be all. That will be all. That will be all. Please, is it still skipping? Let me know. Let me know, please. Is it still skipping? Like, is it still lagging? If it's still lagging, please let me know so that. But I know it will not lag again. There won't be lagging again. It will not lag. It will not skip again. Please, I'm waiting for your response. Please, let me see. Let me see. There is somebody. It's okay. All right. 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 So today, ba, just prepare your favorite pair. Then drop it for me on the comment section while I'm going to like share my screen straight, you understand, because there is no time. We are going to like discuss a lot, you understand, but we are still going to do a top down analysis. You get, you are still going to do a top down analysis because this is a new week that we are about to enter. We need to prepare ourselves for the new week, you understand. We like how to do a top down analysis and a technical analysis. That's exactly what we're going to do, you understand, so that everybody will know how to do each simple technical analysis, you understand. So thank you so much. I know you know how to do your same simple technical analysis, but when we do it together, you understand, gathering idea from here and here, it will make more sense than, you understand. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Somebody said Nasdaq. All right. I'm coming down for that. Please drop your own favorite pair because there is no any comment I'm going to left behind. No, 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 no. I'm not going to left any comment behind. And another person said is another person say CHFJPY. CHFJPY. All right. But first of all, okay, maybe before, let me go to Nasdaq first, because somebody might come up with my own favorite pair as well. So, Emmanuel, you are welcome. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You come very early. You know me and you have the same pair, so you can drop your own favorite pair. So from your own now, that will be my own favorite as well. You understand? So let me be answering. Otuke Igbo Sotu. You understand? Let me do a top-down analysis on Nasdaq first. You understand? So please keep dropping your own favorite pair so that all of us will like do it together. Keep dropping your own favorite pair while I share my screen. You understand? I'm going straight now to share my screen. This is my screen here. This is my screen here. This is my screen here. Sharing it already. This is it. If you can see my screen, let me see. Let me see a reaction. If the screen is showing very, very clean and clear, let me see reaction. Let me see reaction. Let me see reaction. Real quick, my brothers and sisters. Real quick. If the screen is like very, very okay, if you are seeing it very clear, let me see reaction. So that we'll go ahead straight. You understand? I need to confirm from you guys because there is no any phone I'm using to confirm it. You understand? Before I use my second phone to confirm it, but I don't want to be using my phone to be confirming it again. I want to be confirming it from you guys. Yes, I can see. All right, that's very great. On our screen here, this is GBUSD. This is the manipulation pair. Yes, on Friday. This is where the big boys are wiping everybody out. This is the pair that nearly gave me high blood pressure just as I post for you guys, but this is not the one I'm going to analyze yet. You understand? So I'm going to NASDAQ just as our brother asks for. You understand? The one our brother asked for is NASDAQ, which is NAS 100. You understand? So we are going to do a top-down analysis on NAS 100. You understand? I think I've analyzed this particular NAS 100, but I'm going to wipe everything because since it's not my favorite pair, it should be like a new analysis. So if you come on your screen, my advice for everybody, every trader, if you come on your screen, first of all, don't be in a haste to take a trade. Don't be in a haste. Once you come on your screen in the morning, first of all, go to daily time frame. And if it's just a weekly top-down analysis like this, then go to maybe weekly time frame, then you see the direction of the market, see how last week candlestick close, then you come down to daily time frame, from daily time frame to 4 hour time frame, from 4 hour time frame down to your execution time frame. Your execution time frame might be 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. My own is 15-minute time frame. You understand? But all of us have a different time frame for our execution, and we'll have a different maybe strategy. You understand? Different, we have different strategy that works for us. So, but when it comes to top-down analysis and technical analysis, all of us will need to rub mind. You understand? So that we'll know what's going on. You understand? So that we know what's going on. So first of all, I'll go to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, let's see what the market is doing on the weekly time frame. Let's see the direction, like the reaction of the market on the weekly time frame. Okay, what exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? This is the last week that closed. It closed bearish. This is last 2 week. This particular one is last 2 week, and it closed bearish engulf. And whenever you see a bearish engulf, the next one should be bearish. You understand? Except if the market is just going up, like the market is just aggressively going to the upside without retracement. You understand? If not, if you see a bearish engulfing candle in any particular pair, the following day or the following candle supposed to be a bearish. You understand? Until you see a candle with a long wick, then another one open and engulf that particular red candle that form a long wick. Then once you see that particular engulfing candle, then you know that yes, buyers have taken over. But if you see a bearish engulfing candle and the market still go up, means buyers are very, very aggressive. You understand? Means buyers are in charge regardless of what sellers are trying to do. That particular period, buyers are in charge. So this particular period area, let me clear the arrow. This particular area will see a bearish engulfing candle, and this particular one also closed bearish, but not that healthy bearish. You understand? Just like pin bar, you understand? But not, this one is more than pin. You understand? So it's not that healthy. So the next candle means the next week candle now might engulf this particular candlestick that you are seeing. You understand? The next week candle now might engulf this particular candlestick that you are seeing. So what you need to do is You go to your lower time frame, which is, since you have seen the direction of the market, a bearish engulfing candle and another bearish candle, but the bearish is not healthy, you go to your lower time frame, which is a daily time frame. You understand? If you go to daily time frame, what exactly are you going to do? You see the market, like you look at the market and see the way the market is behaving. If the market is on a support level, then you know the reason why this particular weekly time frame close not that healthy, bearish. You understand? Means the market will retrace a bit to the upside before we see another push to the downside if sellers have already take over, since we are seeing a bearish engulfing candle. You understand? But if, like, we'll go to daily time frame now before we take any decision. You understand? So you go to your daily time frame, since you have seen what the behavior of the market now from the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, then you go to your daily time frame, and this is daily time frame. Okay, exactly now the daily time frame, what exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing? The market is on a resistance, on a support level. Actually, to be sincere, the market is on a support level, and that is the reason why the market is just doing what exactly is doing. You understand? And if you plot your trend line like this, if you plot your trend line, it still correspond with what is really happening. Mm. Like, I don't normally do this particular, come to this particular pair regularly, but if I look at any pair, I can do a top down analysis on any particular pair at all. You understand? So this is a trend line, and the market bounce on this particular trend line, then we are seeing a push to the upside on the daily time frame. And which particular candlestick is this? Just like a hammer. So this hammer now, from this particular trend line now, and a support level, this is a support level and a trend line. Trend line and support level combined together. You understand? Trend line and its support level combined together. Let me mark it very well for you. Trend line and a support level combined together. That's the reason why the market is pushing to the upside. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you see another bigger picture of the reason why the market is moving from this particular area. You understand? From the weekly time frame, I show you that that particular last week candlestick did not close healthy. You understand? The reason why it did not close healthy is on a support level and a trend line, an uptrend trend line. You understand? So that's the reason why the last week candle, weekly candle, is not, it did not close healthy. You understand? So this is how you do your top down and technical analysis. As you are doing it from the higher time frame, the lower you go, the more you concentrate and see what is causing the movement of the market. That is the technical that you are using. You get? That's the technical that you are using. So the market is on a support level. That is the reason why the market push to the upside, and that is the cause of that particular weekly time frame that have not closed healthy. You get? So now we are going to 4 hour time frame. Okay, before we go to 4 hour time frame, let me show you guys one thing, because what I'm seeing on a daily time frame is the market will not break below this particular support level. Do you know why? Because of the way this particular candlestick close, this daily candlestick close, and the way last week who is sick. You understand? And the reason why he's sick, it look like he's sick, is because of this particular support level. And you guys know that market work with support and resistance level. You understand? As the market not like is moving from a resistance level, shey you see that their particular weekly bearish candle is engulfing bearish candle, very healthy. But as the market come to a support level, like the healthy reduce. You understand? Means it's moving from a support level, trying to either go and create another higher high, or go to the next resistance level, or make a double top before it go to the other direction. You understand? So that's the reason why the last week candlestick close unhealthy, means it's not healthy. So now like this is just like a hammer. This is just like a hammer. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? You understand? You do your technical analysis. Once you are doing your technical analysis, make sure your brain, everything just dey very very well. You understand? Just look at this particular hammer from here, from this particular support level. This hammer now, this is the hammer that send the market from this particular area to this next resistance level, and we are seeing another hammer again from this particular support level. Means if the market decide to go up from here now, it will clear this particular high. If I do analysis for, if I do a top down analysis for you, just take a screenshot and confirm it if it will not work the way I analyze it. You understand? Since we are seeing a double top here, a double bottom here, you understand, with another hammer, means the market is going to clear this particular high now. You understand? Because if this particular market move from here, that is just like a W pattern. And whenever you see a W pattern, whenever you see a W pattern, means the market is going to the upside. You understand? So if another candlestick close around here, if another candlestick close around here like this, to the upside like this, means the market is going to close in like a W pattern. That is just it. And this is the form, this is how W pattern form. This is, this is it, and it touch again, then give us this. Once it form this particular going to the upside, either create another higher high. This is exactly what I'm saying. But we are still going to the 4 hour time frame so that we'll do it from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. After analyze and mark a support and resistance level from the 4 hour time frame, I'll leave it there, because some people use 1 hour time frame to confirm their entry, some people use 30-minute time frame to confirm their entry, some people use 15-minute time frame to confirm their entry. So for me not to confuse anybody, if you do your top down analysis from weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, all you need to do is mark a support and a resistance level. If you take your trade from a 1 hour time frame, wait for the market to come to your support level or a resistance level, then give you a signal for a buy or a sell, then you take your buy or a sell. If you take your trade from a 30-minute time frame, wait for the market to come to a support or a resistance level, then you enter for a sell, you understand, or a buy. Then if you take your trade from, I get plenty comment. Oh my god, I need to, one after the other, one after the other. Before I continue, one after the other, make I welcome my people. Okay, Emmanuel, you say, okay, this Otuke say CHF JPY. I'm coming to that. Then Emmanuel say, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Emmanuel. Otuke say, yes, I can see. Okay, clear, boss. That's very great. It's clean and clear. That's very great. It is it is in fair value gap level 1 week, 1 week top. You understand? As you can see, I don't know how the angle you are seeing it from, but let's still go down. You understand? If what I'm seeing is corresponding with what you are seeing, then it's also good. And if what I'm seeing is not corresponding with what you are seeing, it's still also good, because everybody have different view on the market. But just the way that the one that has been working for me, how I do my top down analysis without indicator, without too much drawing on the chart, and it's been working for me for the past 2 years now, and I've been in the game for like 4 years now consistently. That is the reason why I can boldly come here and predict the market and confirm. Anytime I predict the market, just take a screenshot. All you need to do is, whenever I predict the market, take a screenshot of it and see if it will work out. I would like it if you guys always compare my analysis, if it is working or not. You understand? Because I want you guys to be holding me accountable. You understand? If what I'm saying is not making any sense, you guys should just tell me. You understand? Hold me accountable if I'm not giving you, if what I'm saying is not making sense. I would like that, bro, man. We are just like a family who comes together. You understand? A struggling trader with Benv effects and a top-down analysis. Like, you understand? Just like one family gathering together to like share an idea. You understand? Together. So you can even drop your own view, you understand, from what exactly I'm doing. You can drop your own view, and your view means a lot to other people and to me as well. You understand? And to me as well. So don't worry, what I'm doing on the chat is out of experience. Mm? From the way I see, from the way I do my top down analysis, the way I do my top down analysis is out of experience, out of staring at the chart for more than for complete 4 years now, staring at the chart every blessed day. So that is the reason why you see I don't use indicator, I don't use any other thing, even common Fibonacci retracement. Is it called Fibonacci retracement that they call it? Even common Fibonacci I don't use. All I do is look at the chart, see the behavior of the candlestick and take my trade. Simple as that. And I've been profitable for the past 14 weeks now, steadily, steadily. If you watch my trade, if you watch my video, you will see I post it every day with proof. You understand? Consistently 14 weeks in profit now. You understand? So let me see. I just want to hear you guys, because let me see. Bullish. Yeah. It's going to be bullish, but I've never completed the analysis. I just want to hear you guys. Hear you guys. You understand? That just it. It's bullish. Noted, sir. All right. Means I beg, if I drop your comment, no vex. Comment plenty for me. Benv, what's up, brother? Matthew Jacob, you're highly welcome. Your presence is filled, man. I vanish SMT. I don't know, but you're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming, my brother. Okay. Boss, will you post this video after the live? Sure. I'd not delete any of my life. You understand? I'd not delete any of my life. Like, it's always there. Is always there. So you can come back to it and like rewatch it. Maybe after, maybe at the end of this week, save, come back to this particular live video and see the analysis that we'll do. You understand? Then let me see. Hope you are ready for the new week. Omo, I'm greatly ready. I'm ready. No any other mistake this week, bro. No any other mistake this week. I'm ready, like seriously ready. Let me see. Hmm. I'm supposed to complete the analysis before I come to this comment, but I don't want to like make you guys feel lonely, bro, man. For 4 hour level will say more. Yes, exactly. 4 hour level will say more. From a resistant, either a resistant or yeah, it will say more. Yeah. Let me see. If it's respect the 4 hour FVG, we can see upside do, or else we can surely expect more downside. Since the selling pressure is high, since it is creating lower low. So let's see how it's going to be, my brother. Let's see how it's going to be. No worry, they are still going down. We'll never finish the analysis. Don't worry, just keep calm for me. I'm coming down. Senior plus SNR SNR plus liquidity works best if it's reach once more. There won't be manipulation, rather bearish POS. So you know your own view is your own view rather, and it's also makes sense. No problem. What up, bro? Glad you are reviewing NQ. No wahala, Libra FX, no wahala. My man, Madu is here. Madu is here. Bro, my people is here. Taste of history. Taste of mystery, thank you. We are all learning, sir. Thank you so much, my brother. That's very great. Like, I'm very grateful for hearing this. Then good evening, Madu. Good evening. Love your work, mate. Love your work, mate. So thank you so much. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nasdaq is a very dangerous market people don't talk about, boss. Don't worry, we are coming for that. How is Nasdaq dangerous? Abeg, when I just dey come, when I just dey like chat with each other, but please listen to the analysis as well. Please listen to the analysis so that it will help all of us. You understand? This is just a family. We are just a family. You understand? We are just a family. Whatever anybody say, please try to understand with the person. You understand? Everybody is seeing it from his or her own point of view. You understand? You know, this market is very, very wide. You may be seeing sell while other might be seeing buy. You understand? And that is why the market can move. You understand? So we are just one family in one channel. So let me go back to the analysis. The analysis is so clear, understood. Thank you so much, my brother. Let me complete it. Thank you so much. Yeah, I prefer future for forex market. Future to forex market. So Omo, I've never tested that future. That's just the thing. Okay, let me continue, my brother. Okay, now we have seen the reaction of the market make a double bottom, trying to form something like a W pattern to the upside. You understand? Then, if we see a candlestick like this tomorrow, this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. If we see a candlestick like this, trying to like close engulf, close bullish, then means the market is going to create a W pattern, and a W pattern will like push the market above this particular resistance level, make the go. If the market form a W pattern from here, then it's going to like create another higher high. Make I no lie for you, make I no even sugarcoat anything. Once the market form a W pattern from here, this particular resistance level cannot hold it. Take it, please, and take a screenshot or come back to the video and watch it after 1 week. You get, this is daily time frame. Okay, so let's see. On the 4 hour time frame, let's see what the 4 hour time frame is. Correct. And this is exactly what I'm saying. If you guys can see, this is exactly what I'm saying, man. This is exactly what I'm saying. Can you see this? Can you see this? Just look at the market make a double top, a double bottom, then give this particular bullish engulfing candle. And before this bullish engulfing candle, let me show you guys what the market do, that you guys maybe some of you will see and some of you will not see it. You understand? Before the market break to the downside to tap on this particular support level, I'll tell you guys more about this particular candlestick. I'll tell you guys more about this particular candlestick, but let me tell you guys what this particular area, like the name of this particular area. You see this consolidation here, they call it, this is what they call inducement in the market. This is what they call inducement. When the market is approaching a major support level, the market will try to be like, try to consolidate. Then maybe people will think, yes, the market will move from this particular consolidation because it's approaching its major support level. Then do you know the next thing that will happen? The market will like break to the downside, tap on the major support level, then take an aggressive move to the upside. When it tap on the major support level, it will not consolidate for people to enter again. It will just take an aggressive move to the upside. That is what the market always do. And this is the same example here. Before the market is approaching a major support level, this is an inducement. If you go to smaller time frame like 1 hour time frame now, this is a huge consolidation. This is a huge consolidation before the market break to the major support level, and this is another huge consolidation. This is another huge consolidation before the market break to the major support level. And as the market tap on the major support level, it will not wait for anybody. Go to the 4 hour time frame and see what the market do. Go to the 4 hour time frame and see what the market do. On the 4 hour time frame, what exactly do you see? Where is it? I better not confuse me. Ehen. On the 4 hour time frame, what exactly do you see? Immediately the market break below this particular inducement, e tap on the major support level, then give this particular bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Give this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, and since then the market reach this particular resistance level, then come back again. As it's coming back to do a double bottom, e come to this particular area again, create that particular same inducement, break it to the downside. This is the reason why you see that your analysis will be very very correct, but the market will still stop you out before it will go in your favor. Do you, are you guys getting me? Are you guys getting what I'm saying? Are you guys getting what I'm saying? Are you guys getting what I'm saying? See, your analysis will be very very correct too, but the market will stop you out first, because it will first of all create inducement. And this particular thing happens to me on GBP USD on last Friday. The market before the major support level, that one sef, that one sef is just a pure manipulation. No worry, we will go to GBP USD, have do the analysis, normal video analysis, and keep, you understand, but we will still go to that particular video and see. Ayomide, you are welcome. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Ayomide, you are welcome. We'll go to that particular GBP USD and I'll show you guys how it work. Yes, you are getting it. All right, thank you so much. You understand? Before the market touch that particular major support level, it will just stay one place, consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Then you think, yes, the market will now move from that particular consolidation to the upside. You understand? Then you enter for a buy. Once you enter for a buy, that particular consolidation is called inducement, and that is liquidity sweep. You understand? That is when the market sweep liquidity. You understand? And once the market sweep that particular liquidity, it won't wait for nobody. It will just take an aggressive move from that particular major support level. Once it tap on that particular major support level, you will not see a consolidation anymore. It will just move straight. You understand? That's how it always happen. That's how it always happen. And it keep happening every blessed day until you know what inducement is on the chart. I'm going to like draw after I do this analysis finish, because I'm going to stop at this particular 4 hour time frame. You understand? Because I've seen exactly what will push the market above this particular resistance level. And you guys, I want you guys to like take a screenshot or come back to this particular video and rewatch it after the market play out. If the market did not play out the way I'm going to predict it, no, just come watch my video again, because there is something I'm seeing very very clean and clear. If you see my description, you guys will see that yes, 15 minutes engulfing master. You understand? I'm a master of 15. Like, once when it comes to engulfing candle, I master engulfing candle. That one no be church or no be say I dey lie or anything. When it comes to engulfing candle, and you guys, I want you guys that is watching me now, to just take note of this particular Nasdaq analysis that I'm doing. You understand? If Nasdaq did not break above this particular resistance level, please don't ever just unsubscribe from my channel. Unsubscribe means I'm teaching you guys trash. If Nasdaq did not break above this particular resistance level that you are seeing, just unsubscribe from my channel. Means what I'm teaching you means I'm not worthy of teaching you guys anything. I know what I'm saying. I know what engulfing candle is all about on the chart. And from the weekly time frame, you guys see that I told you guys that the market is unhealthy. Means the market is not healthy. It look like the market is sick. That the weekly time frame is sick. You understand? The way it close, it's sick. And as we come to daily time frame, I told you guys that daily time frame close hammer from a major support level. You understand? So please take a screenshot or come back to this particular video. If next week, if this particular analysis that I'm telling you guys did not play out, please unsubscribe from my channel. Means I've never reached the stage of teaching. I'm telling you guys the truth. Now me, gone, they tell you. If it not play out, I know market is unpredictable. Like, it's just a game of probability. But I know what I'm telling you. You understand? Oh my God. I know what God. I know what I'm telling you guys, bro. You understand? So let's continue. I'm stopping at this particular 4 hour time frame, but I've confirmed it and I've seen it. The reason why some of you will see that I'll take other pairs apart from JPUSD, Euro USD, and XAUSD is because of this kind of this thing argument. You understand? Some of my viewer or some of my friend will screenshot his chart, send to me that Benv, what is going to happen from this particular area? I'll tell him, please hold on, let me check. I'll check and I'll tell him, hold on first. Once I see my candlestick, I'll say, take a buy or take a sell. Me and the person, gone, I'll take that particular buy or a sell, then I'll screenshot it and send to that person that, yes, if this trade is going against you, means you are not the only one that will lose. I'll be losing with you. I'll not want only you to lose. But please, risk management is number one thing that you need to like hold in your head. You understand? That's just what I'll tell you. You understand? That's the reason why you guys will see I trade other different pairs apart from my 3 favorite pairs. You understand? This is the kind of argument, you understand, or the kind of things that I that ginger that ginger me that God, man. And I say, boss, do you analyze only on 4 hour and check your confirmation on 15-minute time frame? 1 hour time frame, let me just say daily time frame, 4 hour time frame. That's all. Then I'll wait for my confirmation on 15-minute time frame. Those 3 time frame is that's my favorite. I'll first of all see how daily time frame close. Then I'll mark a support and a resistance level on the 4 hour time frame, because that is the kind of support level that the market always, almost, and constantly, how am I going to put it, respect. You understand? You see 4 hour time frame support and resistance level, market respect it like senior brother. You understand? If they respect am like senior brother, that's the reason why I dey use 1 hour time frame, daily time frame to confirm how yesterday candlestick close. Then 4 hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level. Then 15-minute time frame to wait for my engulfing candle, a healthy engulfing candle. And whenever I do against my plan, I will lose that particular trade. And that is the reason why I was sweating like Christmas goat on that particular last Friday trade that I post on Saturday, which is yesterday. You understand? So that is what I use. That's exactly what I use. That's exactly what I use. So let's continue. How to enter, boss? See this thing now. You have to, like, your own time frame already, that you used to like get, your strategy of entering a trade. You understand? What will happen is you wait till your own particular strategy played out. Then regardless of whatever the market is doing, once your strategy play out, enter the trade, manage your risk, discipline yourself not to over risk, then you are good to go. Once you enter the trade, only thing that you are going to do is be very, very disciplined, then see what the market is going to do. You understand? Me, I know how to manage trade. There is risk management, there is trade management, and there is money management. Those 3 things, all those ones are management. You understand? Risk management, Trade management is very very important. That's the reason why you guys will see that I dey take partial profit. Once I see that the market is on a resistance, once approaching the resistance level, I'll take partial profit. And I'll see that once I see a bearish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, I'll take another partial profit. Then I'll put the remaining one break even. That is trade management. You understand? The risk management is that particular amount that you say you will never risk more than that. You understand? No matter how healthy your strategy look like, no matter how beautiful your strategy played out, don't go beyond what you're supposed to risk. That is the only thing that makes people lose account or lose and lose account. Since the beginning of this year, I've never lost any account. And I keep saying that. Why? Because of my risk management, the level of my risk management and the level of my trade management. You understand? I can never ever go above my risk management, the amount that I say that I'm going to be risking per trade, regardless of how beautiful my strategy look like, regardless of how handsome my strategy look like, regardless of this place the markets form from. You understand? I'll make sure I protect my capital. You understand? Because that is the only thing that will keep you going in this particular industry. Because you need a lot of time. You need to stay in this particular industry for a while before you know how it works. The longer you stay in the market, the more you understand how the market works. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Let me see, Emmanuel, you drop it. Okay, boss, I understand. But what if the market is far from your point of interest? 4-hour time frame, what do you do? If it is far from your point of interest, once market not do what you want, all you need to do is to stay out of the market. Because if you lose, if you miss an entry today, tomorrow day, next tomorrow day, next week day, next month day, next year day, next 2 years day, next 10 years day, bro, you are not supposed to pursue the market. The market is supposed to come to you. You understand? Once the market not come to your point of interest and it started going up, let it be, bro. It won't, let it be. Don't pursue it. If you are pursuing it, oh boy, once you start the pursue market, your account is at risk. You understand me, bro? Once you start the pursue market, your account is at risk. Madu, you wait. Yes, you wait, bro. You wait. You wait. Just wait. Patiently wait. It must come. And what exactly am I telling people who are investing in crypto? I say whatever goes up must come down. If you want to invest in crypto, hold on. Anytime you see that they are hyping any pair, no matter how anything go up, it must come down. All these things work with both support and resistance level. You understand? That's what controls the market. Support and resistance, it will go, create all-time high. It will come from that particular place, come to a support level. A support level, just as I make an example, that day, that maybe you are going to a far place, maybe, or you are running and you are tired. A support level is just like a shop beside a road where you get an energy drink from to take, then you get more energy for you to continue your journey. You understand? That's what a support level and a resistance level is to market. You understand? Once the market reach one particular point, it must come down. You understand? Branch one particular support level, come down, chill for there. Either maybe just the way you dey travel, you dey branch restaurant for road, dey eat, so that you get more strength before you continue your journey. That is what support level and resistance level is all about in trading market, in a forex market, in trading as a whole, in any type of trading. either future, crypto, this thing, anyone at all. In this thing, how is it called? Make I no leave that one behind. I no dey trade am, and I no even too sabi am. I don forget am. Synthetics, you understand? No, anyone at all, no matter how anything goes up, it must come down. So wait for market to come to you. It must come to you. If you no come to indices, yes. If it no come to you today, e go come to you tomorrow. And that is the only thing that will make you profitable. If you can be able, be patient. See, do you know why I say patience control everything in this particular market? Patience, patience abi discipline. Discipline control everything in this particular market. You understand? Because if you are disciplined, you will be patient. Discipline must force you to be patient, to wait for your strategy. Discipline must force you to not risk more than what you're supposed to risk. Discipline will force you to come to your chart, to study your chart. Discipline will force you to do the right thing at the right time. So discipline control everything in the market, in your whole life as a whole. You understand? In your whole life, discipline control everything. Okay, boss. Now coming down to 15 minute, 15-minute time frame. Is it only M pattern and W pattern or engulfing candle we should be looking for? Except if you want to use my own strategy. You understand? Everybody have a strategy. There's a guy who is using W pattern, but only what he's looking for is when the market sweep liquidity. You understand? Once the market come to form a W pattern, when the market come make a double bottom, you understand? You know, before market form a W pattern, it will make a double bottom. You understand? Then before the guy take a trade, it will see a one particular candlestick create a long wick, go down. You understand? That is a liquidity sweep. You understand? Then before im go enter. But me, once a market form a W pattern and I see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, I will just enter. You understand? I'll enter that particular trade. And once the market come to a support level and I know a major support level and it not form a W pattern and it give me a healthy bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, I will enter that particular trade and give it a breathing space. You understand? Instead of me like that one, instead of me to risk just 10 pip, I'll be risking 20 pip. You understand? So that's the reason why I tell you that there's a psychology behind every strategy that you see. You understand? There's a psychology behind every strategy that you see, except if you want to be using the same strategy that I'm using. And I post it on my status, on my WhatsApp status, that if you want to use the same strategy that I'm using, let me know. You understand? Let me know. Then I will share that particular video that will teach you how I enter my trade straight. You understand? I'll share the link with you. Then you bring down, like you watch it whenever you are very, very free and your head is down. Who be that? Who dey there? To cool down. You understand? Once you want to like use the same strategy that I'm using, you just let me know. I will share a link of that particular video that narrates everything from A to Z. You understand? It's not even a long video, but I will narrate it for you. Then you just watch it whenever your head is down, whenever you know. Before I come to live video, I'll make sure I sleep. Then I'll know what I'm saying. I'll sleep, my head will calm down very, very well. Then I'll know what I'm saying. You understand? I've never completed this particular analysis sef. Let me see the comment very, very quick, then I'll complete the analysis. Just as I promise you guys, take a screenshot. If this particular prediction that I'm going to give do not play out, just unsubscribe from my channel. Means I'm not too worthy to teach you anything in this particular market. You understand? Because there is something I'm seeing very, very clean and clear. You understand? Something that I've been studying for close to close to 2 years now. You understand? Yes, boss, we need that kind of video. No problem, you have my WhatsApp number. You have my WhatsApp number. So I post the video. The video is doing well, as is doing well actually. You understand? It's doing well, but if I not tell you the details behind that particular video, you will not like keep very, very calm to like listen to what exactly I'm saying. You understand? That is how things like that work. You understand? You might just see a video thinking I just post it just for posting sake, but it's not just for posting sake. If I want to post just for posting sake, I'll just post a day in the life of a forex trader. Just that 7 video that I post today. You understand? If I want to post just for posting sake, I'll post a day in the life of a forex trader. You understand? If I want to post just for posting sake, but any other post you see under my channel is an educate like is very, very educative. You understand? Even that my normal video that I always do. Destiny, you are welcome. I see you, my brother. You are welcome. You are welcome. Even that part, even this road to $100,000, road to $100,000. That particular trade that I always take, that I post. If you watch that video, you see everything that I do on my chart. You understand? You see the way the market will form, you see the way the candlestick will form, you see the way I manage the risk, you see the way I manage my trade, you see the way everything is going gradually, gradually, gradually. And I've been telling you guys, I've been ending my week in profit for the past 14 weeks straight. And there is no any of those video that I will post without showing you guys the history, in my last 3 month history, my last month history, and my last week history. And so there is no anyone I will post without showing my history. I'm not hiding it. You understand? If I don't know what I'm doing, I know another content to do. You understand? I know what I'm doing. I don't want to like lead people blindly. No, a blind man cannot lead a blind man. Both of them will fall into gutter. That is the reason why I show my history every blessed time. You understand? If I want to post just for posting sake, I'll post a day in the life of a forest trader, carry my motor, walk around the town. You understand? Video around the town, and I'll just post it, a day in the life of a forest trader. If I want to post just for posting sake, but any analysis you see on my channel is not for posting sake. It's for educational purpose. Any video I post apart from a day in the life of a forex trader is for educational purpose. You understand? I want my channel to be a channel that people will come and benefit from, not like the regular channels. Mm? Not like other regular channels. I know the legacy I want to build. I cannot just come and be doing anyhow. No, no, no. Mm? I know the kind of integrity I want to build. That is the reason why I don't live a fake life for you guys. I don't show anything anyhow. Anything that does not belong to me, you will not see it under my, you will not see it. You understand? I don't want to live a fake life. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good evening. Good evening. How are you doing today? I'm doing very, very great, Destiny. Emmanuel, you are laughing. I'm telling you guys the truth. True, I swear. I'm telling you guys the truth. I'm telling you guys the truth. I even know the kind of content that go viral, but that's not my line. I want to be giving value. That's just it. I know content that go viral. You understand? But I want to be giving value. That is just the thing. If you take my content that go viral sef, all dis normal thing that you not even take it serious, those are the ones that go viral. The one that you take your time teach will never go viral. You understand? But all this funny something, fun something, that is the one that go viral, but that's not my line. No be by going viral. Na the kind of impact you have in the community is the only thing that matter. You understand? That's what matters to me, not by going viral, bro. um so this is the chart, you understand? So I stop at this particular 4 hour time frame, you understand? And let me tell you guys the reason why I have this strong belief, and I told you guys that if this thing did not play out the way I predict it, just go to my channel and unsubscribe. Means means I don't even know what I'm saying. You understand? Let me show you guys. Shey you see that buyers have taken over from here. You see this candlestick, buyers take over. As buyers take over, they take an aggressive move to this particular resistance level, but this resistance level send them back. Do you know why it send them back? Because of that particular weekly time frame that is bearish engulfing. You understand? Let me show you. Let me still go back and show you. The reason why e go back is because of this particular candlestick. Is because of this particular candlestick, this particular bearish engulfing candlestick. That is the reason why the market go to that particular resistance level and then come back. You understand? The market go to this particular resistance level, then come back. E come back again instead of the market to like break below this particular support level, since the market is like trying to come from an uptrend, like a higher high. Instead of the market to break below this particular trend line or this particular support level, e still have the mind and the momentum. Buyers have the mind and the momentum to like close the market and go off. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame. Not even that alone, no. This is just technical, not anyhow. You understand? This is just pure technical, bro, not anyhow. Okay, this is it. See, buyers still have the mind to push the market from this particular support level. They believe in their self. Push the market from this particular support level above this particular resistance level. You understand? And the market is trying to come down to fill up a gap, because if the market is going up from here now, it will not like come down again to fill any fair value gap again. You understand? That's the reason why you are seeing this particular bearish engulfing candle, but there is no time. The market is like trying to close this and that. You understand? Last Friday, but we are going to see how this week is going to be. You understand? But not only this particular one that is giving me this 100% assurance. So let's go to daily time frame again. Let's go to daily time frame so that you guys will see something. This is daily time frame. And how did the candlestick close? How does this particular candlestick close? It close hammer from this particular why network is disturbing. Why network is disturbing. Okay. It's back, right? Okay. So this is it. This is technical, not anyhow. You understand? Not any indicator that is telling me, not any other thing. This just look at the market kuro like this and decide where the market is heading to. You get? So this is it here. So this is 1 hour time. This is daily time frame. Then this is 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is 4 hour time frame. see bullish engulfing candle, see bullish engulfing candle. The market reach this particular resistance level, e come down, tap here, the buyer still take over again, close engulf. Only thing that you are going to see tomorrow, which is Monday, this is it here. Since the market have given this bullish engulfing candle, I'll go to 15-minute time frame, look for a minor support level. Market to just come to that particular minor support level on the 15-minute time frame, then you see that the market will move to the upside. Let me go to 15 minutes. I'm not supposed to go below this particular 4 hour time frame because this is a top down analysis, but I'm going to 15-minute time frame so that I'll mark. Let me see how 15-minute time frame look like. This is it here. Yes, when wars come to wars, when wars come to wars, since the market have break above this particular resistance level, since the market have break above this particular resistance level, when wars come to wars, this is where the market will come. Since it has go like this, it will just go like this, then like if the market want to like do, let me mark it out. This inner support level, come down to this particular inner support level. Once e tap on this particular inner support level, then the next thing you see is it push to the upside. You understand? Then the next thing you see is a push to the upside. This is exactly what 15-minute time frame will do. You understand? This is exactly what 15-minute time frame will do. And as you can see, as the market is moving from this particular area, this resistance level cannot hold it. You understand? This resistance level cannot hold it because of the momentum. You understand? The resistance level cannot hold it. It can like maybe shift it back a bit, but it won't come down. You understand? Far before it will break it to the upside. Never, never. According to what I'm saying, never. You understand? Never. So let's see how it's going to be. I'm done with NAS 100. You understand? I'm done with NAS 100. There's another question again. Let me go to that particular one and do a top-down analysis on that particular one. I've spent 1 hour already. I've spent 1 hour already. All right. So the next one is Euro US, XAUSD, Nasdaq. I've analyzed Nasdaq. Then which one? There are, I think those guys, there are two that say that I should do that analysis. Okay, this is it. CHF JPY. Let's check this CHF JPY. It's been long. I checked that pair. CHF JPY. Let's check CHF JPY real quick. There's no time. Mm. Nah. Okay. This is it, yeah. Okay. Let's check CHF JPY. Right? CHF what? Let me check. CHF JPY. All right. Okay, USD JPY, GP USD and Euro USD. I'm coming. Destiny, I'm coming to that. More time go do also. But shall know wahala. Let's see how it will be. So CHF JPY, real quick. CHF JPY. CHF JPY. I do not have it here. CHF JPY. Means I've never analyze that pair without to CHF JPY. See. HFJPY. All right. You. Oh boy, it's been long. Oh. Ah, do you, do I even have any? Okay, maybe drawing before. All right, so just the way we do a top-down analysis on Nasdaq 100, Nas 100, that is the same way we are going to do a top-down analysis on CHF JPY as well. You get. So first of all, for you to know this is weekly top-down analysis. You understand? So we are starting from weekly time frame. You get. We are starting from weekly time frame. Let's start from weekly time frame. Let's see what weekly time frame is saying. You understand? Then after we see what weekly time frame is saying, we'll go down to daily time frame. From daily time frame, then we'll conclude it on 4 hour time frame. Then maybe if there is time, we'll go down to 15-minute time frame. I don't know your execution time frame, but I would like to stop at 4 hour time frame. Because on that 4 hour time frame, I can mark a support and resistance level where you can wait for your strategy to play out. Then you go to your execution time frame and execute. You understand? And execute. Then please make sure you wait for your strategy to play out before you execute. Na hot water I suppose dey take because if I talk small now my voice go dey go. Since that day that I have not talked too much, now my voice just dey normal. Now I don come to normal analysis now. um Okay, this is weekly time frame. Omo, okay. This is weekly time frame on CHF JPY. CHF JPY no wan gree for anybody o. CHF JPY no wan gree for anybody. It's just been going up. Oh my God. But still on still, regardless, even if you like let it fly, we know how to catch it. You understand? We know how to catch it. You know what you do? If you come to your chart, just do your simple top down analysis. Just simple top down. Don't complicate things for yourself. Oh. Since you see, you can see that the market is just doing up and down. Just a little retracement, then it will go up. A little retracement, it will go. A little retracement, it will go up. Let me show you what to do in this particular case. If the market is doing such this kind of thing, you understand? Let me tell you what to do in this particular case now, like this. So this is what you need to do. Once you see the direction of the market, as you can see, the market take an aggressive move to the upside, give this particular two candlestick. You understand? And whenever you see this particular these two red candlestick, and you see a bullish engulfing, means the market is not ready to come down at anytime soon. You understand? Don't expect a downtrend anytime soon. I've experienced this thing over and over and over and over and over again. Only thing you expect is a little retracement, then it will still continue to the upside. A little retracement, it will continue to the upside. That is the only thing you're supposed to be expecting. Just be targeting buy until the market break a major support level. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. You see, the market take an aggressive move from here, give two bearish candle with this particular bullish engulfing candle, just consolidate small to the upside. Since then, the market is just going up. You understand? This is one example. Okay. Then this is another example. Since the market come down, retrace a bit, you understand? This is 1, 2, 3. Then another engulfing candle, then the market is being going up. Understand? All you see whenever, especially this particular two candlestick, and you see a bullish engulfing candle after the two candlestick, don't expect the market to come down anytime soon. Understand? So This is what you see on a weekly time frame. I don't want to delay, so let's just be like take it very very like make it very simple for ourselves, you understand. So this is exactly what I'm saying on weekly time frame. But first of all, let me mark this particular register level out on the weekly time frame. This is it. Then I'll go to daily time frame. Let me see what the market is doing on the daily time frame. Now this is what the market is doing on the daily time frame. This is exactly what the market is doing on the daily time frame. And this is the reason why I mark out the support level on the weekly time frame. As you can see, last week candlestick closed bearish but not engulf. You understand? No matter what you see, no matter how far, no matter how the market try reach, it will just don't even expect the market to like reach this particular support level because of the aggressive move the market take to the upside. But if the market manage reach this particular support level, then the next move will be very very aggressive. You understand, from here to the upside. You understand? But let me just mark it like this first. Then we'll go to 4 hour time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame now, this is a support level that I marked from the weekly time frame, and daily time frame is forming something like a bearish candle but not bearish engulf. Once it's not bearish engulf, I don't have a fear because the next one can just open, the next candle can just open and just break above this particular one, nothing dey happen. But this is, if you look closely again, because we are dealing with technical analysis, so if you look closely again, this is just like a hammer, and a hammer is just to knock something to the downside. You understand? From a resistance level, once you see a hammer, is to just knock it to the downside. You understand? So just expect the market to retrace a bit to the downside, but I'm still going to 4 hour time frame to mark a support, a major support and resistance level where you might like take your daily this thing, maybe as a day trader or a scalper, you can take your trade from. But as a swing trader, this is a hammer on a daily time frame. So be very careful. If you want to take a sell and put your stop loss above the hammer. You understand? Then expect the market just, I know says I know say me, I know very very well that swing traders are people who have mind to hold trade for long regardless of what the market is doing. They no dey even to check their chart. Once they don enter and they go just forget it. Either e hit sl or e hit take profit. That is how swing traders do. They no dey to check their trade just like scalpers and the traders. No. Even a week swing trader no fit swing trader fit just dey a week without open their dis thing, their swing trading account o. That's how it is. You understand? So as a swing trader now, from what the market is doing, you understand, you can just enter for a sell, then put your stop loss above this particular hammer, then your take profit. Either you look for 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Simple. Then you up, just be calm. You understand? Don't be greedy. So now we are going to 4 hour time frame. Let's mark a support and a resistance level on a 4 hour time frame. This is a major support level that we mark from the weekly time frame and is also very very good and cool on a daily time frame. And there's a support level here, but that one the market is not coming down here. Oh, don't even deceive yourself. The market is not coming down here because it take an aggressive move from here. And take note, this is a bullish engulfing candle before the market even jump above this particular resistance level. So don't expect the market to come to this particular support level. Although there is a gap here that the market need to fill, but not now. The market blood dey hot now like this first. So please keep calm. You understand? Keep calm until the market break below a major support level before you see that it will come and fill this particular gap. No how the market must come and fill this particular gap, but just be calm. You understand? Just be calm. Just be calm. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. You understand? Let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's not complicate things for ourselves. I don't like too much drawing on the chart. You understand? Let it be just simple and easy for everybody to understand. You understand? Just the way I do it for myself, I'm going to do it for everybody. Okay, this is it here. This is 4 hour time frame where we are going to stop. You understand? As you can see, from the major support level that we mark, this is a major support level actually, because see this kind of candlestick. See, you can just go to your chart and just look for this type of candlestick on the 4 hour time frame. If a market come to this type of candlestick and the market did not react, change my name on 4 hour time frame. See, all this thing I'm telling you guys will think is a joke, but I know exactly what I'm saying. If a market come to this particular, come to a place like this, if a market come to a candlestick like this, on a 4 hour time frame, and you not see something like this, let me just say you come to this particular area, this is a major, then just change my name. This particular candlestick have a strong impact on the chart. You understand? Have a strong impact on the chart. Okay, this is one major support level, of which the market might come and respect. Okay, then there's another major support level here on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? But I'll first of all suggest this one for you. If you want to take a buy, you wait for the market to come to this particular support level, then give you like your major let your strategy play out. You understand? Very clean and clear before you take a buy from this particular support level. You understand? If not, wait for the market to come to this particular area. You understand? There's a support level here and there's a strong support level here. The market might come down here, take a move to the upside because of the kind of aggressive move we are seeing on the weekly time frame. You understand? But the market might break below this particular, respect this particular support level a bit, then break below it to this particular major support level before we see another push to the upside, just like this. And as you can see, there is no any bearish engulfing candle. So that one will show you that the market is not going anywhere far. The market is not going far. What do you mean? The market is not going far, my brother. So there is no any bearish engulfing candle. So the market is not going anywhere far. So the market come to this major this support level and move to the upside or break below it, break below it to this one, then I move to the upside. This is the two major area I'm looking out for on CHF for the market to move from to the upside. You understand? Because the market is an uptrend. You understand? So I don't know if you get the analysis. If you are confused in anywhere, please let me know. Let me know so that I will see like brush through it fastly for you so that everybody will like take something home from this particular analysis that we are doing together. You understand? From this particular analysis that we are doing together. So if you understand the analysis, please let me know. I don't like, for my mind, I don't think like my plan before is to spend just 1 hour on this particular live stream, but this is almost 1 hour 30 minutes now. This is 1 hour 23 minutes, getting to 30 minutes now, and I have a lot of other this thing to analyze. So if you understand, let me know. If you understand the analysis, let me know. Let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. So that we'll go to other this thing, other pairs. So that we'll go to other pairs. If you understand, let me know. So that we'll go to other pairs. Is there any other one? Because it's the NYSC. Madukina. 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 Let us see. Okay, if there's no any other one, then this is exactly what we're going to do. This is exactly what we're going to do. Okay, USDJPY. I don't know if Destiny, are you active? If Destiny, if you're active, just let me know. If you're active, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. It's like you are the next to that will attend to. You are the next that will attend to. So if you are active, let me know. USDJPY, 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 USDJPY. Destiny, if you are active, let me know. 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 If you are active, let me know. Real quick, real quick, real quick. If you are active, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I don't have enough time. Oh. If you are active, let me know. But sha, I don't think maybe network or something. But since there is no time, let me just do the analysis. He might come back to this particular this thing to the video and maybe watch it. That's just it. And not for only him, for every other persons you get. So let's go straight to the analysis. USD JPY, USD JPY, the JP USD and Euro USD. That will be the last ones that I will analyze. Mhm. That will be the last ones I will analyze. USD JPY, Destiny and USD JPY. I don't know. Although I took a trade on USD JPY, that oh boy, oh boy, hey hey, oh boy, USD JPY. The drawing is too much. I took a trade on this particular pair that day last Friday and I make profit from this side. I think from here, from this side, hey, that took that particular trade safe. Is it last Friday or which day? I think from here. You understand? And I pack it to this particular area before the market start consolidating. Yeah. But first of all, if you come to your chart, just as I always say, if you come to your chart, just as I always said, go to the higher time frame, know the direction of the market. That is what they call top down analysis. Go to the higher time frame, know the direction of the market. From the higher time frame, let me just say, if you are doing your weekly analysis to prepare for the week, do it from the weekly time frame down to the daily time frame, from daily time frame then 4 hour time frame, then from 4 hour time frame you mark your support and resistance level, then you wait for your strategy to play out on your execution time frame and take action. That is simple as that. You understand? Don't complicate things for yourself. Too much drawing confuse you, too much indicator confuse you, too much everything is not good. So this is it here. Let me just go straight to the point now. You get let me go straight to the point, straight to the point, straight to the point. This is USDJPY just as Destiny said. So on the weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market is going to the upside, and regardless, the market refused to like retrace to the downside, even as we see this particular bearish candle. And so this is just a little retracement to a support level. I think if I mark it out now, it will like correspond. This is just a little retracement to a support level like this. You understand? To a support level before the market close and go off this particular red candle. Once you see something like this, all you need to know is the market is targeting the next resistance level. And where is the next resistance level? This is it here. This is the next resistance level. Once you are seeing something like this, the market is targeting the next resistance level. And what exactly are you seeing that is giving that is giving you much, much, much more strong belief that the market will do exactly what the market is trying to do. This is a bullish engulfing candle and this is another bullish engulfing candle, this one here. Then this is another bullish engulfing candle. um This is another bullish, like bearish engulfing candle no even have any much chance sef, you understand. Bearish engulfing candle no have much chance, so the market is going to like retest this particular resistance level before we see any push to the downside. So we have seen the direction of the market, like the motive of the market from the higher time frame. Now we are going to the lower time frame, which is daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame is saying. You understand? They will mark a support and resistance level from the daily time frame. Then we'll know what next to do. I don't supposed to do more than 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm not supposed to do more than 1 hour 30 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So this is it here. So you go to your daily time frame, you understand. On the daily time frame, there is more like a consolidation, but nevertheless, the market is still okay. You understand? The market is still okay. Like this is exactly what the market comes to do. Just as I mark it from the weekly time frame, the market come down to retest this particular support level before we are seeing this push to the upside. Then on the daily time frame, this particular market come down to this particular support level. Tap on this is a daily time frame oh. So if you mark this particular place out now, it's like it will be a support level on the 4 hour time frame. Let me mark it out. This will be a support level on the 4 hour time frame, just like this particular area that I marked from a weekly time frame. So just use your technical analysis to analyze something, and this is where you are targeting. This is where the market is targeting to go. You understand? Regardless of this particular bearish candle, the market come down to a support level, then give a pin bar. You understand? Just like a hammer, but more like a pin bar. You understand? So what we'll see, we'll go to 4 hour time frame and mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4 hour time frame again. Let's see where we will be positioned for a buy. You understand? Because all I will advise you to do from this particular USDJPY is a buy till the market tap on this particular resistance level. This is the major resistance level that can send the market back to to a major support level. You understand? As you can see, the market have break above this particular resistance level already. You understand? The market have break above this particular resistance level. You just come down to retest the support level. Then we go to, since you have seen what the market is doing on a daily time frame, I'll go to 4 hour time frame now so that you see what the market is doing on a 4 hour time frame. And this is it here. Just as I mark it out, this is weekly time frame where I mark it out like that the market come to a support level. This is daily time frame that I mark that the market come to a support level, and it's true the market come to a support level. After the market come to the support level, what exactly do you see? We are seeing this bullish candle to the upside. You understand? This is more like a liquidity grab. You understand? Before this particular candlestick is forming, then what exactly are we going to do from here now? Like this, we have seen a liquidity graph from here, and the market is trying to like retrace a bit. What we'll see, we'll like expect the market to retest this particular support level. um Let me extend it now. We expect the market to retest this particular support level before we see a bullish engulfing candle. That's how it will retest this particular support level before we see a bullish engulfing candle that will send the market to create another all-time high. Before we see a little retrace, like it will just be going up and down, up and down. Just like that, till it reach that particular resistance level, just like that, till it reach that particular resistance level. You understand? Because the momentum it hold from the weekly time frame is very strong. So I'm expecting the market to like come to this particular resistance level before we see any massive drop to the downside. So please take note on USDJPY, take note. You understand? The market is giving us a sign from the higher time frame that is going to this particular resistance level before it to rest. So just take note. You understand? Take note of that. We might be seeing something like zigzag because the market cannot just go straight. You understand? We might be seeing something like this. um Might be seeing something like this, and then we might be seeing something like this, this, it go up, come down, retest its level, create another high, retest maybe finally tap on this particular that is setting. It there will be a consolidation around somewhere around here like this, you understand, before the market will break structure. After the market breaks structure, it will go up to clear this particular high, you understand, here, before we see a break to another major support level. This is how the markets work. If you understand market structure, this is how the markets work. If a market is trying to break a major major structure, then change its direction to the downside or to the upside, it will like come close to that particular support, major support level that is going to break, consolidate. It will break that consolidation to the downside, then means it has break structure with that. Then that consolidation that e do, before it break the structure, it will move to the upside, take out that particular high that caused the breakout of the structure, then tap on the fair value gap, then the market will now take its move directly to the downside. This is just market structure, you understand. This is what they call market structure. If you don't understand market structure, you need to still learn about market structure. This is the reason why trading take a long time before 002. No wahala. This is the reason why trading take a longer time for people to understand, for people to become profitable, because there are a lot of work you are going to do. You understand? There are a lot of work. If you sabi this one, another one still dey front for you. If you sabi this one, another one still dey front for you. If you sabi this one, another one still dey front for you. So it takes time. So give yourself a longer time. You understand? Give yourself a longer time. So which one again? GBP and Euro USD, that one is my favorite pair. That is my favorite. I have less than 3 minutes to go. I don't want to mm, I don't want to stay long. I don't want to stay long. I don't want to stay long on this particular. I don't want to stay long. So GBP USD and Euro USD. Let it not be as if I'm trying to dodge it. So this is it here. Very quick. I'll go to GPUSD because there is a lot of manipulation of GPUSD on Saturday. I will do a video about it. I've not even dropped that particular video self, but I can drop it anytime. You understand? This is GPUSD. As you can see, there is a lot of manipulation, man, bro. This is a break of structure. The market break this particular structure. Instead of the market to like retest something like this, then move to the upside, the market refuse, come to this particular inner support level. Instead of the market to this inner support level, that's just it, because the consideration, the way the like the way everything, just the way the market is going, me I not trust it like that. But what I see is that the market have break structure to the upside. Maybe the market might move from here, from this particular area. Let me delete this one. Let me even delete everything so that it will not confuse us. I'll do it from 4 hour time frame now. I'll not go to like higher time frame to analyze it because it's my favorite pair, and from here you will understand it. You understand? So the market breaks structure from here like this. The market breaks structure Then instead of the market, once the market breaks structure, what you expect is the market to retest the structure, then move to the upside, of which you'll be expecting the market to retest. You understand? Inner support level, this is the inner support level, because as the market break above this particular resistance level, it not go far before it's trying to retrace to the downside. So I do not believe the market to break to this particular inner support level. But where market maker are making everybody chopping stop loss that day is this particular inner support level. Because as the market tap on this particular inner support level and there is a bullish engulfing candle here, bullish engulfing candle here, bullish engulfing candle here, bullish engulfing candle here, means buyers have take over. So people now, like person like me, I just wait for the market to tap on this particular inner support level. You understand? So that I'll just enter for a buy once I see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. And there's a mistake I do. As the market clear the liquidity and trying to go up, I do not wait for market to close and give me a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame and I enter the trade. So I chop SL. You understand? I chop SL. So this is what I'll be expecting in this new week. This is exactly what I'll be expecting in this new week. As the market is moving from here like this is a 4 hour time frame. As it's moving from here like this, as the market is moving from here like this, to just go retest, maybe make a double top here, then come down to this particular support level, come down, respect it fully, because this particular one is not, this is not a respect, this is a disrespect. You understand? Need to respect it before we see a push to the upside. This is exactly what I'm going to see. You understand? Either Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. This is exactly what I'm going to see on JPUSD. You understand? And before you take your trade, make sure you get your confirmation very, very correctly. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm expecting on JPUSD on Monday and Tuesday. And you guys know I must end my week in profit regardless. I must end my week in profit regardless, either they would like it or not. I must end it in profit regardless. Any trade I take, immediately if I take any trade, I suppose screenshot it and post it on my WhatsApp this thing status. But I don't know when some of them are going to see it. Maybe they are going to see it very late. And if they go and take that particular trade, and see, giving signal is not my line, Joe. It's not my line. Or instead of giving you fish, I would rather teach you how to catch the fish. That's just it. You understand? So this is what I'm expecting on GBUSD this new week. You understand? This new week, this is exactly what I'm expecting. Below this particular engulfing candle, then target times 2, something like this. This is exactly what I'm expecting. Something like this is exactly what I'm expecting. So let me check. I don't have, I'm late already. If you're active, let me see a reaction from you. I have less than 2 minutes to go. I have less than 2 minutes to go. I have less than 2 minutes to go. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you, please. If you are active, let me see a reaction from you. So, Destiny, don't worry. We are going to do, I have less than 1 minute to go. We are going to do Euro USD, but just be very, very calm. You understand? I will come on live tomorrow. I don't want to be spending much time on live again because it affecting me. You get how it affects me. You understand? You get how it affect it dey enter me badly. I don't need to hide anything from you guys. It dey enter me badly, and the stress I pass through, this past week. I never recover, and I told you guys I donate blood for that particular patient, so I never recover. I haven't recovered completely. So I don't want to be doing a long this in live stream now like this. Let me recover. If I do small live stream like this, if I do long live stream, I'll be feeling as if I'll be feeling dizzy. Although I'm fighting that, I'll be feeling as if I'm dizzy. You understand? But I'll be back stronger. You understand? That's just it. I'll be back stronger. I think this is 1 hour 45 minutes now. So don't forget to be here tomorrow 8 p.m. same time tomorrow. So please, I'll just prepare and come. You understand? Because tomorrow morning might be market to just try to like settle down this and that. Please don't go and take an unnecessary trade tomorrow. You understand? Then next tomorrow will be the day that you take your trade. You understand? So please, risk management, be very very disciplined and manage your risk very very well. Then you are good to go. Please don't over risk your account. The longer you stay on the chat, the more you understand how the chat works. So I see you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. sharp. I love you guys. 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 That's just it. Hold that in mind. Now, VFX. Love you guys. So see you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. sharp. You understand? 8 p.m. sharp. 8 p.m. sharp. Thank you. I see you that time. Love you. Bye for now. Yeah.